because of the review. I mean, reading the reviews, like before even eating here, reading the reviews. Let's say if I was to, let's say if Jesus came to Texas, right? Like physical Jesus, you know, like he actually came to Texas, right? And it was my job to host him at my house, right? Based upon the reviews, I would take him over. The first place I would take him over is to the French fry house. All right, guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to DVDs, Nuts, and Popcorn. Thank you for riding with Tight White. Now, right now I'm in front of the French fry house, guys. So let me give you a little bit of a backstory on the French fry house. So, and by the way, I didn't think I'd be doing a food review this close to my last food review. I told you guys it'd be happening every blue moon, but I woke up with a tremendous craving this morning. And I found out last night, okay, so here's the backstory. So about a year ago, when I was heavily doing these food reviews, I was thrifting one day and I didn't remember until last night, but I passed this French fry house and I was like, the French fry house, that sounds interesting. And it was in the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's kind of in the ghetto, but it's like, there's nothing but like warehouses and stuff around. But anyway, I immediately went on Yelp once I parked and started looking at the reviews, and the reviews were sky high on this place. And you know, currently right now it's 4.5 out of 5 stars on Yelp with 232 reviews in. So a good enough sample size that you know, those are you know, no one's going to get a 5 rating, guys. So with that amount of reviews, a 4.5 is it's almost like a fantasy rating. So so yeah, I'm very excited. I can't remember if I mentioned I showed up here 30 minutes early on accident, so I got a lot of time here. Not that I'm gonna waste you guys' time with 30 minutes of talking, but so anyway, I forgot the name of the place, and about 2 weeks ago, I was like, what the hell is that place? Because I always thought in my mind that I was going to do a food review for you guys of the French fry house on Wayside, off of Wayside in Macawa, by the way. And I just forgot about it, and I procrastinated on it, forgot the name, and then all of a sudden I'm thinking about it because I'm like, I know that place had great reviews. I want to eat there, and I can do a food review for you guys. And so I couldn't remember if it was like, because I know they specialized in like one thing, but I didn't remember if it was chili or baked potatoes or what the hell it was. So it actually was, which I found out last night, French fries. Obviously, it's called the French fry house. I've already told you guys that. But anyway, they have like all these specialty French fry, like lemon pepper French fries, Philly cheesesteak French fries. They have something that I'm going to get today called the Big Texas, which is French fries with brisket on it. And I don't know if it has barbecue sauce or peppers, or onions, whatever the hell, but it looks really good. So that's what I'm going to be trying today. I'm going to give you guys my food review on that. And we're also going to do some Texas Chainsaw Massacre talk about my trip. And I don't want to talk too much about it because I'm going to make my own video for my Texas Chainsaw Massacre trip. But we are heading in about a couple of weeks from now to San Antonio, Texas. And we're going to stop in Bastrop, Texas to visit the Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station. And then once we get to San Antonio, we're going to take a day trip and we're going to go out to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house, which is now a restaurant. So I'm very, very pumped up about this trip. You know, with 2020, I didn't go on any vacations. I'm happy to get out the house, but this was like last minute this happened. They already invited me on the San Antonio trip, and I just out of the blue just say, hey, did you guys know that the Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station is open and it's only like 2 hours from us? And then he's like, oh yeah, and he starts Googling it and putting it on maps, and he's like, oh yeah, we're actually gonna be passing through Bastrop. And then we decided we're gonna go. So man, I'm so excited. And the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house is only like, I don't know, like an hour and a half to 2 hours away from the resort that we're going to be staying at. All right, guys, so that's about it. I'm going to try to record ordering the food and stuff. Got about 25 more minutes, and we're going to get the Big Texas, which is the like I said, it's got barbecue brisket with French fries. I think it has peppers and onions and who knows, sour cream. I don't know what the hell's on it. But anyway, and we might get the egg rolls with boudin in it. I've read on the reviews. I've heard a lot about that. So, all right, guys, I'll record in a minute and we'll check out the food. $57.40 Wayside. They open at noon. Yeah, so they should be opening.
1 minute.
Obviously a good place if you're staying here waiting, right?
Yeah. You guys eaten here before?
No, a friend of mine came and took all kinds of pictures. Like, oh my god, I've got to come here. It's so
I
good.
get great reviews on Yelp. This is my first time too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. The girl that told me about this place, she's been here several times, and they all just like, she took pictures of everything. They ordered some of all of it. They all look delicious.
It's great.
Big Tex it is.
Yeah, that's what I'm going with.
That's what I was looking at too, but now she's gonna have to eat something else.
The Bayou fries sound pretty good too.
Which one?
The Bayou
Mama,
fries.
I want the same thing that you're
Oh yeah.
The shrimp and
But with
crawfish.
no way that is.
Big Tex, they got the jalapenos. I don't need those.
They have plain French fries.
I don't like cheese.
Who the hell comes to a place like this and gets plain french
Yeah.
fries?
I'm just gonna
They have plain fries.
They got boudin.
I don't want just plain.
Yeah, I heard the. I guess it's like egg rolls, boudin inside of them.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I
Boudin
heard,
or
yeah.
chicken? It says boudin
This is
or
gonna make
chicken?
my tummy.
Boudin egg rolls.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, see it.
Boudin or chicken egg rolls. Really?
And people raved about that on the reviews as well.
Get me a boudin egg
What are you
roll.
getting, Mama? No jalapenos or boudin.
Oh, it looks like you can't buy them individually though. You gotta get 3 of them.
What can I do for you?
Let me get a large Big Tex,
Okay.
and also let me get the boudin
Okay.
egg roll,
All right.
and then I'll get a bottle of water as well.
Okay. Can
That's
I get your
it.
name?
All right, first off, it smells amazing. Comes in this generic black bag. I'm assuming this is the egg rolls. I got boudin egg rolls. Wow, they look good. They look really good. Look at that. So boudin is often found in, what is it, for breakfast. You can get them in the kolaches, but I've never seen it in an egg roll before. So that's definitely unique. All right, let's look at these barbecue fries. Comes with some jalapenos right there. Take a close look at these babies. Wow. This looks fucking amazing. Check that out. Kind of dig into it real quick. Where's the fries at? Holy crap, man, they're drowned. There's a fry. They use big potato fries. Now they're gonna be soft. They're not gonna be crispy, obviously, because they're drowned in everything, but yeah, that looks incredible. All right, let me reposition the camera. All right, so obviously this is not something you're gonna be eating with your hands. Let's try a bite of it. Really good. You know, the only thing that I was a little bit hesitant on, guys, is I don't know if barbecue is really a good mix when it comes to French fries. It just does not enter my mind as a good thing to have with, see if I can do this properly. Sure. So that's the only thing that I'm like, well, I want to give a fair review. Very messy. So it looks like it has, so it has it has blended shredded cheese, multiple different cheeses there. And what is this right here? Why am I not thinking what this is? It's almost like, I don't know if you guys can pick up on that. Hold on a second. Like, what is that? Celery, right? Is that celery? Not sure what that is. I mean, this thing is just crazy. It's not that I hate it, but I just don't, like I said, barbecue sauce does not go with French fries, I don't think. Let's take a non-French fry bite with just the brisket. Yeah, the brisket is on point, guys. Now, we're going to be doing, I can't remember if I mentioned it earlier. I'm going to try to do 2 food reviews in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre road trip. One of the gas station, because they serve barbecue there. And again, I don't want to get too much into the conversation because I'm going to make my own video on that. But, and then I'm going to do one of the actual house, the restaurant. Kind of in a weird place over here where I'm located, where I went to eat. I didn't want to eat in the parking lot because it's starting to get busy over there. Yeah, the brisket is definitely on point. It almost has a sweet, tangy flavor to it. Almost like a sugary brisket. Almost like there's some kind of caramelization going on with the brisket. If you guys know what I mean by that. Oh. Almost threw a DVD, a dirty ass Goodwill DVD on top of the egg rolls. All right. If I went back there, I probably wouldn't get this one because the barbecue just does not blend well, like I said. I mean, have you guys ever eaten barbecue before that had like French fries on the plate and took your French fries and dipped them in barbecue sauce? It doesn't go well. Now, this is going to be tough to review, man, because I just don't like the barbecue sauce aspect of it. Yeah, not digging it. All right. Now, for some Boudin egg rolls. Nice color to that egg roll. Very nice color to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I can see why people give that good reviews. And I guess sweet and sour sauce, right? Oh no, I don't want to mix that with that. Let me see. Let's try some. So we tried it undipped. We're gonna try it dipped now. And it might turn it from a 4.5 all the way up to a 4.9. Just never know. Dip that baby in there. Yeah. Oh yeah. So there's a place by my house. Those are good. Back when I was eating a lot of breaded foods, that I would go get kolaches and also, sausage kolaches, sausage and cheese with jalapenos in them, and then also kolaches that have Boudin in them. So I do like Boudin. Those have a little bit of a kick to them too. Spicy level is on point. And the brisket is really good, guys. Again, I have to go back to the barbecue sauce not working with this, and it's so much of it that you can't taste it otherwise. Like, I would love to taste this without barbecue sauce, just brisket, cheese, and I'm not going back there because it's a little bit of a weight, and I don't want to be eating this unhealthy. I don't want to eat another one of these. Because of the review, I mean, reading the reviews, like, before even eating here, reading the reviews, let's say if I was to, let's say if Jesus came to Texas, right? Like physical Jesus, like he actually came to Texas, right? And it was my job to host him at my house, right? based upon the reviews, I would take him over. The first place I would take him over is to the French Fry House. Is that what it's called? I don't even remember now. But anyway, I would take him. But I would have made a mistake if I would have took him to get the barbecue one. Because people just rave about this place, but I mean, it's, how can I explain this? It's so good that it's breaking through the barbecue not working. You know what I'm saying? Like it's actually good, but I'm telling you right now, if this had no barbecue sauce on it, it would be amazing. And I don't know if you guys heard, but even in line, the conversation I was having with the group of people, they were pretty much all getting the Big Tex, because I mean we're Texas people, you know, we think barbecue first. So, you know, now you know what? These jalapenos popping over here. Maybe that's what it needed. Add some of those to the mix here. Spread those around. So it's almost the default meal to get there. But I don't know, guys. I think I'm going to be in the 3s with this, man. I can't go 4s with this. The barbecue sauce doesn't work with it. Man, them jalapenos are fire, dog. I can't do it. The barbecue sauce is not working. I'm going to go ahead and rate that a 3 out of 5. I can't go any higher than that. The fries are amazing. The brisket's really good. Everything's okay with it except for the barbecue. I got to take off 2 points just for the barbecue sauce. All right, now, what are we going to rate these egg rolls? Boudin egg rolls. Do another dip. Ugh. My mouth is on fire right now. Holy shit. I don't think in many ways, I'm not really a huge sweet and sour guy. Because it's either you're sweet or you're sour. You can't be sweet and sour. I think that's why it offends me. Quite honestly, I just don't like sugary things. And actually, that brisket tastes a little sugary to me. So that's why I'm not saying, oh my God, this is the best brisket I've ever had. By the way, we're going to be trying the brisket over at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station. Am I scared to go to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station? Yes, I am. Am I terrified to go to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house? Yes, I am. I feel like I'm picky. I feel like I'm becoming really picky about food. This is good, but I don't want to put it in the 4s though. I don't know. I mean, do I love boudin? No, I think I just like boudin. I love how the egg rolls are golden brown. I mean, that's really nice, but I'll go 3.5 on the egg rolls. All right, guys, that's it, and girls, and another food review. I'll put the name up here again. What was it? The French Fry House, I believe. I don't know why I can't remember the name now, but yeah, I'm definitely going to come back here, and I'm going to do another food review, but we're going to do a food review. Oh, shoot. I didn't even notice that. It comes with sour cream. Damn. That could have made it a 3.2. You never know. Should I open it and try it? I think I should. I'm going to bite on that shit. It's been in somebody's hand. This could make or break the meal. I might have to change my score. This is the first time in the channel's history, guys, we have to do something like this. All right, let's try it out. I think we're in the ghetto. All right, now. Does that counterbalance the barbecue sauce issue? No, it doesn't. I still give it a 3. Is that regular sour cream or a light? It tastes light. All right, thanks. I would say probably the next video that you're going to see from me is a Texas Chainsaw Massacre road trip. I'm going to take this this deal, you guys can't see, this bracket that holds the phone, and I'm going to take it in my stepdad's Jeep, set it up in the car, and my mom will be in the back seat. You guys will get to meet my parents, and I'm going to do some Texas Chainsaw Massacre talk with them in the car. On the way there, I'm going to record everything at the gas station. Hopefully they let me record in the gas station, and hopefully they'll let me record in the house. I'm pretty sure, since they're tourist attractions, they're going to let me record, so that shouldn't be a problem. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. No jump scare today. Mikey Garcia. Peace out.